Good morning students, welcome to online class. Hope you are keeping well by the grace of God. So students, once again I am with you and today I am going to teach you English literature from your NCERT book, First Flight, and the poem number 4 in your book. Poem number 4. The students, those who have the books, you can open it. Those who don't have, you please listen to my lecture and listen to my teaching carefully. So the name of the poem is How to Tell Wild Animals by Caroline Wells. Guys, you open the notebook and you note down the spelling of Caroline Wells. CarolynWells. Caroline Wells. Caroline Wells, she was an American poet and she was born in 1862 and died in 1942. She has written ample of stories and poems. Those are based on mystery and children books, and for that she is quite famous in the field of English literature. And this poem is also one of the famous or popular poems of Caroline, which suggests about the characteristics or the chief features of wild animals. Through this poem, the poet wants to warn or alerts the readers about the wild animals or about their chief features. Through the poem or through the stanzas of the poem, the poet wants to say that never try to befriend the wild animals because they will remain wild, they will never spare you, they will never be domestic or pet. So be careful, be cautious about the wild animals. Whenever they will get opportunity, you will become the victim of them if you will be in the grip of them. So guys, the poem consists of 6 stanzas. The language and the diction, that is quite lucid, and the presentation is outstanding. So I am going to read the poem before you. Guys, please pay attention. If ever you should go by chance to jungles in the east, and if there should to you advance a large and tawny beast, if he roar at you as you are dying, you will know it is the Asian lion. Stanza 2. Or if sometime when roaming round a noble wild beast greets you with black stripes on a yellow ground, just notice if he eats you. This simple rule may help you learn the Bengal tiger to discern. Stanza 3. If strolling forth a beast you view, whose hide with spots in paper, as soon as he has leapt on you, you will know it is the leopard. 12 means it will. 12 do no good to roar with pain. He'll only live and live again. Stanza 4. If when you are walking round your yard, you meet a creature there who hugs you very, very hard, be sure it is a bear. If you have any doubts, I guess he'll give you just one more caress. And stanza 6, the last stanza. The true chameleon is small, a lizard sort of things. He hasn't any ears at all and not a single wing. If there is nothing on the tree, 'tis the chameleon you see. So this is the complete poem, 6 stanza. Guys, today I will only describe or explain the stanza. I don't want to exaggerate my teaching. I will only describe or explain the stanza, and later on I will give you the words and questions based on today's lesson. So guys, the first stanza, it depicts, if ever you should go by chance to jungle in the east, and if there should to you advance a large and tawny beast, if he roars as you are dying, you will know it is the Asian lion.